In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Fire Stick, and no matter which model you have, to your CRT TV. So let's get started right away. So the first step is to take your Fire Stick, and for this you won't need the adapter that came with it to extend the HDMI port. You can put this aside. Then what you need is an HDMI to RCA adapter. Do not buy an RCA to HDMI since that one won't work. And by the way, I'll put links in the description for everything that I'll show you in this video, so it's easier for you to find them on Amazon. So once you got the adapter, go ahead and plug the Fire Stick into the HDMI in port of this device. Then the Fire Stick needs to be powered the same way it works on your regular TV. So go ahead, take the USB cable and connect power to it. You may notice that on this adapter you have a small switch over here that you can switch between NTSC and PAL. I'll put a map right now on the screen showing you which of these you should choose depending in which region of this world you're currently located. Next, you'll need an RCA cable to connect to the other ports of this adapter. So this is the RCA cable, also composite cable. Some people call it this way. So what you need to do is to simply connect yellow with yellow, red with red, and white with white. Now the next step is to connect power to this adapter. They come with a power cable included in the box. So I have it here and I will connect it. Now the next step is different depending which kind of TV you have. Some CRT TVs have some composite input right over here, and you can go ahead and connect these cables to them. Sometimes there are only two, and that's perfectly fine. These ports can also be found on the back of the TV. But what if your CRT TV does not have any of these, like mine? This one does not have any composite input. Well, in that case, you will need an RF modulator. This is how it looks. And again, I'll put links in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. This one is powered, so plug the power over here, plug the RCA cables, and on the other end, you'll need to connect an antenna cable, or coaxial cable, or RF cable, depending how you prefer naming it. Okay, so this cable goes directly in the back of the TV, and any CRT TV will have a cable input. This is where you connect the antenna, or if you had cable, go ahead and connect the cable to that port. And on the adapter itself, depending which brand of adapter you get, you'll have two ports. One is antenna in and the other one says to TV. You need to connect it to the one that says to TV, and then you have a switch in the middle that you can switch between channel 3 and channel 4. This is just a preference, there's no good answer. I prefer having my picture on channel 3, so therefore I switch it to channel 3, and you need to switch the TV to channel 3 as well. And finally, when we connected everything, we can turn on the TV. The Fire TV is booting up, and in just a few seconds you'll be able to use it and have access to every single apps the same way you're doing on a smart TV. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.